Hey y'all, it's your girl Sasha E. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how to do jumbo Senegalese road twists using the rubber band crochet method. For this style, I'll be using Epic pre-stretched hair in the color 1 and it's 20 inches long. I separated the hair into 9 pieces from each pack. I'm starting off with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. I'm going to be using a few things to help me out with this style. The first thing are rubber bands, then the crochet needle. I'll be using the Shine and Jam to perfect her parts. I'll be using the honey beeswax. This will help me while I twist. And also the She Is Bomb edge control. At the end of the video, I did opt to use some edge booster on her edges just to give her a more polished look. She had 23 sections in her hair. I roughly used about 2.5 packs of hair, and this style took about an hour and 15 minutes. To get started on the crochet part, I grabbed a big piece of hair and split it in 2 pieces. The only reason why I split the hair in 2 is because the entire piece of hair is too big to fit inside the hook on the crochet needle. Once I separate the hair, I open the latch hook on the crochet needle and slide it horizontally into her hair. I attach the first piece of hair to the crochet hook. I close the hook, then pull the hair through the hook. I only pull about 1 inch through the hook, then I stop and remove the needle. Once I remove the needle, I pull only one side of the hair through so that I can have hair on both sides to twist. So now I'm going to take the second piece of hair and do the exact same thing. Generally, before I attach the hair to the latch hook, I roll it because it makes it easier to attach the hair to the crochet needle. Alright guys, so I'm going to explain it again. So we're going to get one section of hair and separate it into two pieces. We are going to get our crochet needle. We're going to make sure that latch hook is open. After, we're going to slide it into her hair horizontally. And then we're going to take that piece of hair and we're going to roll it so that it's easier to attach to the hook. Once we attach the hair to the hook, we're going to close the hook and gently pull her hair through. So once the hair is through, we're going to remove that crochet needle and only pull one side of the hair through. So then we're going to repeat. We're going to open the latch hook. We're going to slide it vertically in her hair this time. We're going to get the second piece of hair and we are going to roll it. So once we have it all rolled, we are going to attach it to the needle. So now that it's attached, we're going to close the latch hook and we're going to gently pull it through. We're only pulling through a little bit over an inch, and then we're going to take one side of that hair and slide it through. So now that we have the two sections added, I put a little bit of beeswax on my fingers. I separate her natural hair and also put two pieces of the weave on one side and two pieces on the other. And then I start to twist. So we are on her last twist and I wanted to explain it one more time. So we are going to get a section of hair and separate that into two pieces. I get the latch hook, make sure that it is open. I put it in her hair horizontally. I get one section of hair and I roll it so that it can attach to the latch hook easier. I put that on the latch hook and I close it. Then I gently pull it through. Once it's through, I take one section of that hair and pull it through. And then we are going to repeat. We're going to get the crochet needle, open it up. We're going to put it through her hair vertically this time. We're going to get that second piece of hair. We're going to roll it. Then we're going to attach it to the crochet needle. We're going to close that hook and pull it through gently. Once it's through, we're going to take one section of that hair or one piece of that hair and pull the rest through. And then I'm going to proceed to twist. So I did dip her hair in hot water off camera, and then I just used the scissors to kind of get rid of some of the flyaways that she had. I did go in with my Tropical Roots mousse, and I just added that to her hair to help with the neatness of it and also to help with some of the flyaways as well. So to finish off the style, I did go ahead and add some really pretty gold accessories to her hair. I feel like it gave it such a nice little twist. It came out really nice and I really love this style. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.